Nobody wakes up and says, "Today I'm going to destroy my financial future." And yet, millions of people do it every day. Not because they're stupid, because they're human. Here's the biggest lie about money. Most people think wealth is about math. It's not. Wealth is psychology. There are people making $50,000 who sleep peacefully, and people making $250,000 who are drowning in stress. Income doesn't control behavior. Mindset does. The modern economy runs on one thing: making you feel behind. The moment you feel like you're not enough, you're ready to spend. That new phone, those new shoes, that expensive purchase, it doesn't buy happiness. It buys a feeling. The feeling disappears. The payment doesn't. Most people don't have a money problem. They have an emotional spending problem. Comparison makes it worse. There's always someone richer, faster, bigger. The game never ends unless you decide where enough is. Money isn't freedom because of what it buys. Money is freedom because of what it allows you to ignore. Bad jobs, bad relationships, bad opportunities, and even desperation. Wealth isn't flashy. It's quiet. It's built one decision at a time. Nobody becomes wealthy overnight. But almost everyone becomes broke the same way. One small decision repeated thousands of times. Every purchase is a vote for who you become tomorrow. The question isn't, can I afford this? It's, what is this costing my future? The people who win with money aren't always the smartest. They're the ones who learn to control themselves. Financial freedom isn't built in your wallet. It's built in your mind. I'm Lester Terry, and this is Stackr. Stack today, freedom tomorrow.